Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the GFX tool gaming PUBG 90 FPS test in this Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, so let's see by using the GFX tool whether you will be able to get the 90 FPS PUBG gaming or not. Because by default game settings, you won't be able to play the PUBG game at the 90 FPS mark and in this smart mode. So let's see, friends, by using the GFX tool whether the settings are actually playable or not with the 90 FPS. So that is what my point of doing this kind of complete video. And in case if you're interested to know more details about this live wallpaper and all the details about the Mi11X device, so make sure to check the links in description. All the links will be available in the description below, friends. So let's begin the test first by opening the settings. So to show you that I'm using the 120Hz display. So as you can see, friends, in the display I'm trying to use a 120Hz as well. You can clearly see here. So 120Hz display is turned on, and it is the GFX tool application which I downloaded. So this is the GFX tool application which I downloaded, friends, as you can see here clearly. So let's try using this application whether we will be able to get that 90 FPS mark or not. So I'm trying to use this kind of settings as well, as you can clearly see here. So default resolution smooth 90 FPS, as you can see. So smooth and extreme, I'm trying to use all the settings. So let's see, friends, whether we will be able to get that kind of gameplay or not 90 FPS. So if we don't get, I need to again disable everything and I'll try again as well. So we'll check in multiple use case scenarios whether the game is actually supported with the 90 FPS or not. So let me need to run the game and see so what will be the results are here. So in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the phone, so make sure to check the links, friends. So don't forget to check the playlist. So that will be really helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy the phone. And let's see, friends, what will the results in this phone. So go to the settings and the graphics, as you can see. So I'm not getting any kind of 90 FPS indication here, as you can clearly see, friends. So in case if you have any other GFX tool application in your mind, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll do my best to try that GFX tool application which is actually working with the 90 FPS, and I'll try to use in my phone as well. So as I said, I'll try to use different settings, but right now there is no 90 FPS option enabled here. So let me try to use with the different kind of settings in this phone. So let me try to select the different settings. So right now I selected the smooth, and let me try to disable the quality, everything. So everything is decreased, default, as you can see here. I'm trying to select the default values, most of the cases, as you can see, and rendering quality to low. And these are the few settings which I'm trying to use with the basic settings only. So let's see, friends, now the PUBG game will be open with the 90 FPS or not. So by using the default settings, you can play at 60 FPS without any problem, even the HDR plus extreme settings. But with 90 FPS, that is where the problem comes. You need to wait for the update to come here. So still, even if I use as default settings as well in the GFX tool application, I was unable to get the 90 FPS, as you can clearly see, friends. So no 90 FPS present here. I'm not getting the option here. So if you use this kind of GFX tool application. So now let me try to use a different GFX tool application which is called the pubg, as you can see. So let's try this kind of GFX tool, whether this GFX tool will be working or not successfully. So let me try to select the game and resolution. So the resolution is kind of default resolution only. I'm trying to select. It's not much, and is a graphics level smooth and FPS count. So now I'll be selecting to the 90 FPS, as you can see, friends. So I selected to the 90 FPS successfully, as you can see here. So now let me try to show you other styles. So everything is kind of default. I'm not trying to change any other settings at all. So only just 90 FPS I did apply, and everything is set to the default only. So let me try to open the game right now. So let me try to open the game, friends, right now. So right now I'm trying to run the game, and let's see whether this application GFX tool will be able to support in this phone or not. So as I said, if all this application doesn't work, so make sure to comment below your favorite GFX tool application, so which you want me to test on this phone. I'll do my testing and I'll keep you posted how I'm going with that one as well. And let's see, friends, what will be the results are here right now. And let's go to the settings and the graphics, as you can see here. So you can only see the smooth and extreme settings, but there is no 90 FPS at the moment, as you can see here clearly, friends. I think overall right now maybe the 90 fps is not updated in this phone, but definitely maybe in the future the pubg should be updated to 90 fps as soon as possible, friends, because the phone hardware is so good, and even the display is also 120 hertz. Everything is good in this phone, but only the software update is only the thing which is stopping the phone from playing the 90 fps. But meanwhile, as I said, if in case if you're having any other GFX tool applications in your mind, so do let me in the comments below. So definitely I'll do my best to post a video on that one. So right now still you will be able to play only with the 60 fps only in this phone. So only you'll be getting 60 fps, not much. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Just a video to confirm you that whether 90 fps is possible or not with the GFX tool. So I did try to use the two GFX tool applications, and two of them are not working. So I'll try to research more, and I'll try to see whether how to play the 90 fps game in this MI11X as soon as possible. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for my channel. If you have any other queries, make sure to comment below, and don't forget to check the playlist as well. That playlist will give you the complete idea about the phone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.